Your Place in Time at the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation is a nostalgic, thought-provoking, and deeply personal exhibit that invites visitors to explore 20th century American history through the lens of their own life experiences. It's not just a gallery, it's a time machine built around memory, identity, and the cultural milestones that shaped generations. The exhibit is cleverly organized by decade, allowing visitors to walk through the American experience from the 1900s to the 1990s. Each section immerses you in the sights, sounds, and objects of that era, from popular toys and fashion trends to the technologies that defined daily life. Rather than focusing solely on political history or industry, Your Place in Time zeroes in on personal culture, how people grew up, entertained themselves, communicated, and lived in their homes. For example, the 1950s zone recreates a post-war suburban setting, complete with a black and white TV console, vinyl records, and Formica kitchen decor. Visitors who grew up during this time are instantly transported back to the age of soda fountains, sock hops, and the rise of consumer culture. The 1970s section contrasts sharply with wood-paneled walls, rotary phones, bell-bottom jeans, and a vibe that reflects both social change and shifting family dynamics. Each generation section includes curated displays of key artifacts, lunchboxes, board games, kitchen appliances, advertisements, music players, and fashion accessories. Visitors can pause to hear oral histories and explore how different age groups experience school, work, gender roles, dating, and family life. The real magic happens when visitors recognize something personal, maybe the same dollhouse they played with or the cereal box they saw every morning before school. What makes Your Place in Time so compelling is its intergenerational focus. It doesn't just document one moment, it compares and contrasts how people from different eras experience the same life stages. How did teens in the 1920s rebel versus those in the 1980s? What did growing up mean in 1940 compared to the 1990s? By walking through this exhibit, you get a clearer sense of both how much has changed and how much remains surprisingly the same. Interactive elements encourage reflection with prompts like, "What was your first concert?" or "What technology changed your life the most?" These touches invite families and groups to share stories as they move through the space, making it a shared, memory-rich experience. Ultimately, Your Place in Time is about connection between the past and the present, between generations, and between personal memory and public history. It's not only a celebration of cultural milestones and everyday objects, it's a celebration of you, whether you're reliving your childhood or discovering what life was like for your grandparents. This exhibit offers a fun, heartfelt reminder that everyone has a place in time.